Hi everyone, I have Preet with me over here. Despite being a registered physiotherapist, having a full-time job as a physio, थोड़ा अपना license के बारे में बताओ that you have successfully cleared. My husband is a physio himself and I have seen the struggle कि कितना difficult होता है वो license exam का written exam और वो सारा clear करना. So I'm very happy that आपने वो clear किया है. But that for most of the people in the end goal, license हो गया मेरे पास है ना, you can work as a registered physio. फिर क्या? Why this?
I realized there is so much paperwork. It's not just about the work. I love my job, but then I bring home paperwork and my family life is affected. My family time was getting affected. And I realized, okay, as the years are passing by, there are health issues that are starting eventually.
Next issue is because of the physio job.
Yes.
Oh. She was not able to take food from अभी यहाँ पर जो buffet था. And I asked her कि क्या हुआ, and she's like neck में क्या sprain है. So it's मतलब the hazards of being a physio. Yeah, आपकी health definitely affect होती है यार.
Yeah, it can be heavy sometimes, and eventually after years you get some or the other pain that starts, and then I realized, okay, I don't want to do this always all the time. As an obligation, I want to do it out of my passion. So I wanted a side hustle that can give me my family time back, my free time back, so I don't take paperwork home, doing or working extra hours. I wanted something that runs for me and not me running behind it or doing a second job. And this was a perfect opportunity that I grabbed. I didn't give it a second thought. I did all my due diligence, but I grabbed the opportunity.
So if you are also a healthcare professional who feels that it's taking a toll on your health, this is something that you can definitely explore. This is something that you can work on the side along with your full-time job, build it to the level that you can then make it. If you wish, you can then quit and make this as a full-time thing. I personally have been doing the business for the last 6 years and it has been amazing. I have never gone back to a job. I have been able to achieve so much. Like, we are from India and you want to visit back home. You don't want to work to get in the way of pay holidays नहीं मिल रही है और 2 हफ्ता 3 हफ्ता सिर्फ जाने मिलेगा. ये सारी चीजें जो होती है, you don't want to live that life forever. You have parents back home. Your parents are aging. You don't want to have so much gap कि आप पता नहीं कब मिलोगे क्या होगा. So this is an amazing thing that you can work, build an income, learn the skill and apply that and have something of your own जो long term आपके साथ रहेगा.
Yes, exactly.